Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know what Windows is my laptop HP. Chapter 1. How to know what Windows is my laptop HP from settings. To start, enter About in the search box. Click on About your PC. In the Settings window, you will see your version of Windows in the Edition line located in Windows Specifications. Chapter 2. How to know what Windows is my laptop HP from the command prompt. The first thing is to enter CMD in the search. Open the command prompt console. In the terminal, run the winver command. When you press enter, you will see the system version. Chapter 3. How to know what Windows is my laptop HP from PowerShell. You will start by opening PowerShell from the search. Now run the winver command, press enter. You will see your version of the operating system. Chapter 4. How to know what Windows is my laptop HP with command. To start, enter winver in the search box. Click on the command. In the pop-up window, you find the used version of Windows. Chapter 5. How to know what Windows is my laptop HP from system information. To begin, in the search box, you are going to enter Ms. Info 32. Open System Information. In this window, you can find the version of Windows in the line O's name. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.